everyone, this is Marina from Beyond Kitchen. And today I'd like to walk you through this beautiful modern house in San Francisco Bay and show you some timeless design choices that make it feel clean, calm and elevated. Let's go! So first, notice how the walls and the cabinets painted in the same color. This creates a super soft transition that keeps everything seamless and minimal. It almost feels like the kitchen blends into the space instead of interrupting it. All appliances here are panel ready, so they blend right into the cabinetry. You can't even tell where the fridge or freezer are. There are no handles, just a simple push-to-open mechanism. So the whole wall becomes one uninterrupted surface. Two floating shelves were added to keep things open and airy. They give you a space to display something pretty or store everyday items without breaking the clean look. Now let's take a look at the cabinet fronts. We used our integrated J-profile handle, which keeps the design modern and ergonomic. There are no extra hardware sticking out, just a super clean lines. All base cabinets here are drawers, not doors. You can see and reach everything easily without bending down and digging into the back of cabinetry. And drawers aren't just for plates and pots anymore. Here, one being used for the kids' backpacks. I love the idea. Another detail. The pit gas burners were built directly into the countertop. It looks so sleek and keeps the counter surface visually uncluttered. It's super easy to clean too, and looks incredible. Now let's look at the island. Here, the island has a waterfall countertop, which is a timeless choice. It keeps the stone flowing down the sides and looks so elegant. And check this out. The outlet is cut right into the stone. It almost disappears, but it's super practical. And lastly, one thing I really love here is how this open layout connects the kitchen and the living room. It creates a space that feels open, warm and perfect for family life and entertaining. For more real kitchen tours and inspiration, follow Beyond Kitchen to see what's next. And if you'd like to learn more about this project, check the description below. And thanks for watching!